Nothing worse than a drunk motherfucker that's talking for 2 hours and ain't saying shit. Ain't saying a thing. You want to tell a nigga to shut the fuck up, but you can't because he's your father. Your mother called the police and said I assaulted her. I mean, I'm the type of person. See, Bush is in the White House, and Bush is making it hard on the black people here in America. Nigga, shut the fuck up. Please. I grew up in Brooklyn. They used to call my neighborhood do or die Bed-Stuy. You hear me? Do or die. Shit, I didn't want to do neither one, so I had to leave. I'm serious, yo. My block was rough. My block was rough, man. I didn't grow up on Sesame Street. If Big Bird would have came to my block, we would have ate that nigga. I'm serious. Brothers be standing on the corner chilling. Yo, what up, dude? Yo, how is your boy, man? Yo, who the fuck is that with the yellow Nautica jacket? That's fucking Big Bird, yo. Oh shit, hold up, he going to the ATM. Hold up, wait till the nigga turn around. Wait till he turn around. Big Bird be minding his business. Sunny day. Yo, grab the nigga, son. Hold him down. Hold the nigga down, son. Grab his beak. Grab the nigga beak, son. He's fucking my nose up. Grab the nigga. Big Bird be up there. Hey, boys and girls. So this is Brooklyn. You see Big Bird the next day all fucked up. Hot sauce all on his back, bald spots in his feathers. He be in the back of a police car looking for suspects. My little brother fell victim to the whole Brooklyn thing. He thought it was his responsibility to be a gangster, to be a thug, just because he's from Brooklyn. Now this nigga locked up, in jail. Still thugged out though. And every time he called me, it's the same way. Yo, what up, son? Yeah, just hold it down up in here, guard, you know me. Shit, I run this whole motherfucking cell block, yeah? Yeah, son, yo, these niggas fear me in here, son. Yeah, you know my style, nigga. You remember I used to fuck you up when you was little? And he called me like that every time. I'm saying I'm family. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what's really going on inside the jail, man. Cause he ain't never called me like, hello? Yo, let me speak to mommy, yo. Yo, these niggas is rude in here, son. These niggas is rude, son. Yo, man. Somebody stole my motherfucking mashed potatoes. Yeah, they trying to take my ass in here, son. It's some Adabisi type niggas in here, son. Yo, man. Y'all miss y'all, man. Yo, what y'all doing for dinner? With gravy? Oh, son. Yo, you speak to grandma, yo. Hello, grandma. Can you pray for me? Yes. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Yes. All right, grandma. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Alright, grandma, when you come visit me, do you bring Jesus with you? Yeah. If they see you with you and Jesus, it's gonna be only popping to me. Yeah, that's my time. You guys are wonderful. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Yo, this is Ed Robinson coming at you live on What's Hood DVD. Big up to my niggas at What's Hood.